to another episode of Creative Wednesday. Yes, as you can see from the title, this week I'll be making another Bt21 DIY, which is a Chimmy Plushie. This is what the final product will look like. Alright, let's get started.
You will need yellow, white, black, and pink felts, threads to match, needle, pins, scissors, a wooden chopstick, 15 centimeters of orange yarn, tie a knot on both ends, paper, and a printer. Start off by printing out the templates. You can find the link to the templates down in the description box below. Now that you have your templates, cut them out. Fold your yellow felt in half to make 2 pieces. Place the head template on top, pin it together. Place the body template and pin it together. Place on the circle template and pin it as well. Cut out the felt by following the shape of the templates. Take one piece of the head, restack the template on top and pin. Fold it in half, cut a little slit in the middle. Slide your scissors into the slit and cut out the oval shape. Fold the black felt 2 times to make 4 pieces. Place on the ear template and pin them together. Cut out the pieces. Take a small piece of black felt, place on the facial features template, pin, and carefully cut them out. Place the oval template on top of the white felt, pin, and cut. Fold the white felt 2 times to make 4 pieces. Place on the paw template and pin. Cut out the shape. Place the tongue template on top of the pink felt, pin, and cut it out. Next, you'll need to assemble the mouth. Place on the tongue and pin. You need to sew the tongue on. Here I'm using a sewing machine, but you can hand sew it if you want. Place the white oval behind and pin. You need to sew it all around. Arrange on the facial features. Once you're happy with their placement, pin them down. Sew on the facial features permanently. Now we'll need to make the ears. Stack 2 pieces together and pin. Repeat the steps for the remaining 2 pieces. You need to sew it all around but leave an opening at the top. Flip it inside out through the opening. Use the wooden chopstick to poke out the edges. Next, you need to sew off the 3 bottom slits on the head. Fold, line up the slits and pin. Do the same for the second piece for the head. Fold, line up the slits and pin. Sew off the slits. Stack the two pieces for the head together, face to face, and pin. You need to sew off the top, skip the part with the slit, sew all around, but leave an opening at the bottom. Now we'll attach on the ears. Slide an ear through the opening at the bottom. Push the ends out the slit. Pin it securely. Do the same for the other ear. Slide it in through the opening at the bottom and onto the slit and pin. Sew these parts down. Flip it inside out through the opening. Stuff it with the plush toy stuffing. Sew close the opening. Sew down the ears to the side of its face. Let's move on to the body. Place the paw onto the hand like this and pin. Pin on the other paw. Repeat the steps for the other side of the body. You need to sew on the paws. Next, fold and line up the slit on the body and pin. Fold and line up the slits on the hands as well and pin. Repeat the steps for the other side of the body. Sew off the slits. Stack the pieces for the body together face to face and pin. You need to sew it all around but leave an opening at the top and at the bottom of both legs. Arrange the circle onto the bottom of the leg and pin. Pin on the other circle. Sew it all around. Now that the bottom of the legs is sewn on, flip it inside out through the opening at the top. Gently push out the edges with the wooden chopstick. Stuff it with the plush toy stuffing. Fold the orange yarn in half in equal parts and slide it in the opening like this. Feel free to adjust the length to your liking. Sew close the opening. Lastly, sew the head to the body. There you go! Your Chimmy plushie is now completed.
I hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Creative Wednesday. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and click subscribe if you're new to my channel. Do check out all the other Bt21 DIYs that I've made so far. I will put the playlist down in the description box below, you can go check it out. Do leave a comment if you like, and thanks again for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye!